Hey everyone, if you're an Apple Watch fan, you're in for a treat. Apple's latest update, watchOS 10, is here, and it's packed with some game-changing features. Let's dive right in and explore what's new. First up, we have a total app redesign. Apple has rethought virtually every app. Now, apps use the entire display, giving you more information at a glance. Imagine checking your stats or messages without squinting or swiping endlessly. It's like getting a widescreen TV for your wrist. Cyclists, this one's for you. watchOS 10 introduces advanced metrics and views specifically for cycling. Whether you're a casual rider or a pro, you'll love the new experiences tailored just for you. Think of it as having a personal coach right on your wrist. Now on to health and fitness. The new mindfulness app is designed to help you stay zen in this crazy world. It's like having a mini meditation guru with you all the time. And don't forget the insights for mental and vision health. Apple is really pushing the boundaries to keep us healthier. Sleep tracking just got a serious upgrade. You can now monitor your sleep patterns more accurately than ever before. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to better sleep. It's like having a sleep scientist on your wrist. Communication is key, and Apple knows it. The improved messaging features and smarter Siri integration make staying in touch easier and more intuitive. Imagine having a conversation with your watch that actually understands you. Pretty cool, right? And let's talk battery life. Optimized battery performance means you can do more without constantly worrying about charging. It's like getting extra hours in your day. Lastly, the new Smart Stack feature. Simply turn the digital crown to reveal widgets from any watch face. It's your quick access hub for all the info you need. Think of it as your personal productivity assistant. All right, folks, that's a wrap on the exciting new features of watchOS 10. If you're as pumped as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all things tech. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details.